In this video, I'll show you how to install Chrome extensions. The first thing to do is to enter the Chrome Web Store URL. This is it, chromewebstore.google.com. Enter the URL. Now we are on the page here. You can see it says search extensions and themes. So we're going to click on extensions because we want to install extension. Now you can search extensions if you want. I'm going to just say, let me install a color picker. Okay, so I'm going to install this one here. I'll click on it, and then you want to click on add to Chrome to install. It's installing already. There's a pop-up window that asks for your permission to add extension. So we click on add extension. By the way, you want to be careful while you're adding extension. Ensure you trust the developers or whatever source the extension is coming from for the purpose of your safety. So now you can see it has been installed. Color Picker 2 eyedrop has been added to Chrome. I'm just going to see what you see here is removed from Chrome. So once you see this here, it means that the extension has been added, right? Now to see and to use the extension that you've installed, what you want to do is to click on this particular icon here, which looks like a puzzle at the top right corner. Click on it. You see I have the extension here, Color Picker 2 and eyedrop. Now you can actually pin this extension to your browser so it becomes quite easy to access. Once I click this here, you see the icon of the color picker appears here. So next time when I want to use it, I just have to click on this and it opens up. Now this is just the color picker. I want to, whatever I want to do from here, I can just do it from here because it's open. I can just click and that will be it. Now for you, you may not want the color picker. What you want to install may be different, but just follow same process. If you know the name, you can just click and search here. If you're not sure of the name, just search for the category of whatever you want to install. Color picker, ad blocker, VPN. Just search and then choose from whatever products you actually want. All you just need to do is look at their rating, look at the amount of users they have, and maybe look at the feedbacks coming from other users, and that will help you in your decision making as to which particular extension you want to use. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing, like and share as well.